Hello everybody, I'm back. Look what I've got. This is a half of leftover of chicken Kiev. It's got the garlic butter in the middle of it, and some homemade fries, which are the McCain brand, and they're the shoestring McCain. And a little bit of what is tomato sauce and Best Foods mayonnaise squished on top. Yum! Let's dig in. Yeah, I don't mind leftovers. This chicken Kiev reheats really well. And as per the channel name, Half Eaten Reviews, you'll get this a lot with me. I've had something, half of something, and then I'll have the other half. Like with the salt the other day. Yeah, I'm a bit weird. Nom nom nom, not so good. My chips are better than McDonald's chips. Yum. And when I finish that, got my biscuits like Cookie Monster. Cookie! And these are the Jeffersons, and these are the Higgins dark chocolate. I'll show you. Higgins dark chocolate, it's so yummy. They're nice, these ones. They stay in the cupboard good. They don't go off too quickly. And you're not too sweet. And yeah, I can't really complain. They're good. When you do want something that's too sweet, yeah, Griffin's Jefferson. So sweet. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to have after I've had my chicken Kiev. Alright, I'll come back to you with biscuit Cookie Monster time. I wish I could share my chippies with you. Nom nom. Nice and crunchy. Nom nom. Yeah, crunchy is good. Crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. And that goes for chips as well. It's a standard rule, isn't it? Okay. Bye for now.